what's happened and how populations have declined is that over not a long period of time, but over time, the females will and all the chicks and eggs, so the reproduction as well as the adult females get taken out of the population. And males and females look the same. The males are a little bit bigger and heavier, but adult male and female kōkako look the same. So when work was initially being done, some populations we thought, had a reasonable number of birds in them, but what was found was they were mainly all males, old males. So the breeding was almost, over. So during the breeding season is when kōkako are most vulnerable to predation.